We all know Dhruv Rathee,
नमस्कार दोस्तों.
a YouTuber who doesn't talk, he explains. His videos are based on fact, research, evidences, logics, and no shouting, no fake drama, just information. But today I ask myself a question, that what if I spend my next 24 hours like Dhruv Rathee? So for the next 24 hours, I am going to spend my day like Dhruv Rathee. This is not an imitation, this is an experiment. So let's begin. The day started early in the morning. First rule, no phone after waking up. Usually we open Instagram or YouTube first thing in the morning. But today I didn't. I drink water, sat quietly, and just observe my thoughts. Dhruv often talks about clarity, and clarity comes from silence. After that, I planned my day while while brushing my teeth. Not in a rush, not randomly. I wrote down what will I learn today, what productive work will I do, how will I avoid distractions. The small habits already made the day feel different. And now it was the time for breakfast. So for that, I took milk and I start boiling the milk for a while, because healthy breakfast makes you healthy, and when you are healthy, your mind will work too. Your mind can work. So that is why. And after taking my breakfast, I go and start researching, because as you have watched Dhruv Rathi's video are full of research, full of truth, full of evidences. So for that, I go into Google and search today's newses and start watching today's newses, because what is happening in our surroundings is must, and we have to know that what is happening in our surroundings. So after that all, I realize that time is 12:30, and then I go for a run. After coming back from run, it was time for lunch. So after taking my lunch, I start researching for my video, because Dhruv also make video in the YouTube. So for that he also did research. So I am doing research. So in this moment, the time is currently 4, but I am doing research. I am also taking break. Yeah, I was also taking break for 10 minutes and I was then doing work. So after doing all the research, it is time now 7 and I am starting editing the video. And I'm still doing edit the video, and time is currently 8, and let's upload this video on the YouTube. And after this all, after taking dinner, it's time for sleep. So hey friends, living 24 hours like Dhruv Rathee, I got amazing experience on that, and I learned many things. For example, I learned that you cannot become genius in one day, but you can become more aware. And I learned that consistency is more important, more important. Yeah. So my experience was very good. So if you enjoyed this video, so please like, share, and subscribe, and suggest to me next topic whose lifestyle I will try. So till then, Allah Hafiz.